Check out the software I just made for my ward, my church. I was having the biggest time having to do all the different agendas. We were just keeping it on Google Docs every single week, and literally nobody was using it because it was so confusing. I went ahead and I was like, hey, why don't I just make something that I can just make super simple? I went ahead and made it with AI. You can go ahead and you can search the previous weeks, and I click on May 17th, boom, it shows up what we did for that week. Any notes, obviously this is a demo, but all the notes would show up right here. You can scroll back in the past and you can see all of your past history of who did what in the meetings, all that stuff. I have a template on here so I can move these around, and I can say, hey, I actually want to have this right here, or actually I want to go ahead and I want to edit this to change, and then it's going to automatically edit from this date going forward in our meetings. How sweet is that? And then I have assignments over here, and all of this is automatically, all these assignments, I'm not coming in here and assigning every single week. We have a rotation, and that's just set up so AI automatically puts in the next people for the week. And then 2, it automatically asks them. We have this button down here and it says confirmed, but when it gets to the 5 days out before the meeting, so like let's say next week, 5 days before, it would automatically change to pending, and it would send them out a text message and it would say, hey, would you be willing to give the opening prayer? Would you be willing to do this? Would you be willing to do that? And then if they say yes or no, if they say yes, then it says confirmed. If they say no for whatever reason, then it takes them out and it moves in the next person into their slot, but it never double books someone. It never has someone doing 2 things in the same day. So literally AI's running this entire thing. How flippin' sweet is that?